Hello guys, how are you? Here today we have a job. Our job is to repair a rim. So how can I cut that inside plate? I can use gouching. Okay, let's see. I'm starting gouching now. Okay. Yeah, let me gouch. Okay. Let's see it. Now I'm finished gouching and I want to take off that plate. So how can I do to take this plate off? I think it's better I just knock with a hammer. 4 pounds. I'm trying to take it out that plate. So hey, this plate doesn't wanna come off. I think I have to change a side. I can knock by inside. Okay, let's see. I think it's better if I knock it like this. Wow, it's come off now. It's off now. You can see it. You see why I like to use couching, because when you use couching, you can just couch on the welding. You can't couch other things. After that, I'm start to clean all the dirty things.